Yeah, we're good, thank you. Thank you.
Hi.
How are you?
Shit, it's hot.
Three-piece kit install from Slingmods for the Can Am Ryker. Gonna be done today. Kit 1 has already been installed. So what we're gonna be working on is kit 2 and kit 3. Kit 2 is gonna go in along the sides, and kit 3 goes into the back behind the seat. So let's start out by making sure kit 1 still works. We already have the module, so we're just adding the kits to the module. So here's your module right there. So, and here it allows us 3 more. So we're going to start by figuring out where we're going to run the strips, and then later on we're going to add some axle caps from Show Chrome. And remember, you can use my discount code rolling on 3 and get 10% off Show Chrome accessories. Popped off this panel so we get access to wiring harness, because that's how we're going to tape up, zip tie all the lines that run from the bottom here to under the seat. Customer previously had one of those light up antennas and all of this here, so we're gonna eliminate all this here. We're gonna cut all that. We're gonna cut all this off because they're not using that light up antenna anymore. That would have went right here, so they're gonna change that up. Let's go with the alcohol. Nice and clean, nice and dry of all debris. I'm gonna wipe it down with some alcohol. Okay, give that a sec to dry off. Then I'm gonna hit it with some primer. Primer is done. I'm gonna stick this joint in there. We want to stick it to somewhere where it's going to be a bit visible and hidden at the same time. Does that make sense? I'm telling you, invest in some of that 3M adhesion. This stuff is amazing. No more LEDs flopping off. You need this stuff. So all those primer wipes were dry. So I order a whole box of these from Amazon. Link will be below. And these right here are what you need, because the ones you get in the kit will be completely dry. And you're going to try to put 3mm onto metal. This is what you need, trust me. Kit 2 is going to go under here, under the seat here. It's not really made for the max mount. I think it's made for the single. And I'll run the wire down through here. So let's do that. Now you get these primer wipes, of course, but I'm telling you right now, they're all completely dry. Okay, those are installed underneath the max mount. Take this wire and I'm gonna run it down and across. All that under there is wired up, down, around, underneath. Make sure nothing pinches to this splitter that's going to run across the wiring harness. Now, this kit is not made for the max mount. It's actually just made for the under seat. But since they added the max mount and they want the lights up here, that's why you're going to see wires here. There's really no way of tucking it. You would have to remove the seat to do it that way. So for now, this is what they get. This is not the kit for that. There's the splitter. I zip tied it all the way up to the front. Right here, now I'm gonna put the panel back on so you won't even see the wires. This is the control box. And this is where we start buttoning everything up. The two LED strips that go around the engine meet in this splitter, connect to the box. This one is actually the rear and under the swing arm. And this is going to connect to the box. So that's 3 kits all together, and then we're going to light them up. Let's do kit 1 installed. Kit 1 installed. Alright, it's a wrap. Kits 1, 2, and 3 from Slingmods. Under the seat. End caps on top of PPA wheels from Show Promo. Check those out. If you want to get 10% off of your products from Show Promo, click the link below. Around the motor, headlights, front grille, and swing arms. Alright, so I just finished installing, buttoning everything up. Let's turn off the lights in here and see what we get. Might be kind of, well, not bad. Different patterns. Off, on, colors. Let's look at the red. Let's change it. There's red, and this is the pattern. Fading, fast flash. Slow, fast, let's change the colors. Full install. Another happy customer in with the Ryker doctor. Ride safe, everybody.